There's a new viral moment on social media called burping your house. It's when you open up the windows in cold weather to let the air inside. Now, this new thing is inspired from an old German practice. Why are people doing this?
Yeah, well, I think in my household we call it like cracking the window open, things of that sort. What I want to say is, for one, a lot of people try to do it because the difference within the temperatures and things of that nature. But what I can say is, especially with conditions like such, I wouldn't advise opening the window, things of that nature. What you're going to want to do is like open the cabinet doors, things like that, so that that warmth in your house can get to those pipes and things of that sort.